Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Windsurf AI, a revolutionary coding tool that combines AI agents and copilots to transform your development workflow. This video is split into timestamps, so if you want to skip to a specific part, feel free. What is Windsurf AI? Windsurf AI is an innovative, next-generation AI-powered IDE developed by Codeium. It integrates sophisticated AI agents and copilots to enhance coding efficiency, making it the first truly agentic IDE. The platform leverages proprietary Cascade technology for deep contextual awareness across your entire code base, ensuring a seamless and intuitive coding experience. What is Windsurf AI doing? Windsurf AI is primarily focused on automating and streamlining coding tasks. It offers features like Cascade Memories for consistent AI rule configuration, multi-file editing for efficient updates across multiple files, and inline command for precise code modifications using natural language. Additionally, it provides tools like code lenses for refactoring and documentation, making it a comprehensive solution for developers. Price: Windsurf AI operates on a freemium model with several plans. Free plan offers unlimited AI autocomplete suggestions, in-editor AI chat, and basic context awareness. It includes 5 user prompt credits and 5 flow action credits per month for premium models. Pro plan costs $15 per month, providing 500 user prompt credits and 1,500 flow action credit, along with access to larger models and enhanced features. Pro Ultimate plan, priced at $60 per month, includes unlimited user prompt credits and 3,000 flow action credit, offering full access to all premium features. How to use Windsurf AI. 1. Install Windsurf. Download and install the Windsurf AI IDE from the Codeium website. 2. Configure AI rule. Use Cascade Memories to set up AI rules for consistent behavior across projects. 3. Multi-file editing. Implement changes across multiple files simultaneously to streamline large-scale update. 4. Inline commands. Use natural language to make precise edits or generate terminal command. 5. Code lenses. Refactor and document your code for better maintainability and readability. That wraps up our review of Windsurf AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.